Hello, everyone. My name is Anastasia. I'm the marketing coordinator here at ComputerTalk. And today I'm joined by Victor, one of our project owners. And today we'll be uncovering some of the common challenges that manufacturing organizations are facing and some key strategies to overcome them. So, Victor, we have quite a few manufacturing contact center clients. Can you speak about some of the common challenges that they're facing?
Of course, one of the biggest challenges is supply chain disruptions. For example, when delays occur in sourcing raw materials, production slows down, or logistical bottlenecks affect delivery timelines, it could lead to increased costs, missed deadlines, and dissatisfied customers. When this occurs, customers are reaching out about delays in shipments or backordered products. If agents don't have access to real-time data, they struggle to provide accurate updates.
Right. And I'm sure high call volumes are also a common issue, especially when the contact center is not prepared for it.
Exactly. When there are disruptions, inquiries about inventory, pricing, and technical support surge. If the contact center isn't equipped to handle it, customers tend to spend a lot of time waiting in queue while agents are overwhelmed with a lot of inquiries.
Right. So what are some key strategies that you would suggest they leverage in this scenario?
Yeah, a key way to ensure agents have access to real-time data is to ensure that ERP or CRM systems are integrated with their contact center. With the CRM integration, agents can receive a screen pop or a quick snapshot of the caller's information, such as the order status, reducing the time it would take for the agent to search for this information. Another helpful tool to implement is a bot, an AI-driven virtual assistant that handles customer interactions through text. Our solution IceBot can handle common inquiries and provide 24/7 support without human intervention. This offloads the routine tasks from agents, allowing them to focus on more complex inquiries.
So thanks, Victor. So in addition to high call volumes, can you think of any other common challenges that they might face and strategies to help overcome them?
Manufacturing call centers also handle technical inquiries related to machinery, equipment, and industrial products. Because of the wide range of inquiry types, agents may struggle with knowledge gaps or require engineering expertise. If the handling agent is stuck or unable to adequately assist the caller, this can lead the to being transferred multiple times and longer resolution times and poor customer experience. To have this, manufacturing call centers can provide agents with instant access to manuals, troubleshooting guides, and frequently asked questions with AI powered knowledge bases. AI can suggest relevant articles for the agent based on the customer's inquiry, reducing the resolution time. Implementing intelligent routing can help direct callers to specialized agents or engineers that are equipped to handle certain types of inquiries. This ensures that callers are directed to the right agent on the first try and reduces the likelihood that the caller will be transferred, leading to a more positive customer experience.
So that's great. Thank you so much, Victor. I appreciate you taking the time to share with me some of the challenges that manufacturing organizations are facing, some strategies to overcome them. So thank you. And if anyone has any questions or wishes to learn more about our ICE Contact Center solution, feel free to visit our website and reach out to us directly.